wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best pedicure kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. With a whole bunch of grooming devices, the eaone 20-in-1 mani-pedi provides everything a do-it-yourselfer needs for at-home primping. It includes all the essentials for cutting, trimming and filing, plus toe separators for easier nail painting. It comes with a clear storage box and 3 callus removing tools. However, the buffers could be higher quality. At number 9, the conveniently designed decorrack 4-in-1 paddle delivers a scrub brush, a bunion grater, a fine-grained buffer and a pumice in a single, easy-to-hold tool. It also features a rope loop on one end so it can be hung in the shower. It's available in 4 colors, all with a BPA-free plastic handle, but it's not particularly long-lasting. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Suitable for use on the feet and most other areas, the oleavine tea tree scrub is a versatile option for full body care. Small pieces of volcanic rock exfoliate rough patches, while essential oils help reduce skin irritation. It contains charcoal powder and works well as an acne cleanser too. However, the smell can be too strong for some. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pedicure kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Tweezerman Mini Nail Rescue features clippers, a cuticle pusher, a hangnail trimmer and a file, all made from rust-resistant stainless steel. They're smaller than standard size, so fit inside a 4x1-inch case. This kit's ideal for traveling and includes a nickel-coated file and a trimmer that handles like tweezers. Moving up our list to number 6. Designed to heal tough, cracked skin in a short amount of time, O'Keeffe's Healthy Feet is a thick, heavy-duty cream from a well-known company. It delivers and seals in moisture and works best when applied after exfoliating and before bed. It comes in a screw-top container and is safe for people with diabetes. It's also available in bulk packs. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Gilden Tree Terra-Cotta Scrubber includes a handmade clay paddle that mimics a pumice stone on one side and a washboard on the other. A portion of the company's profits goes to educating children in Pakistan. It's sun-dried and kiln-fired, and the material won't degrade with use. It includes a 1-ounce jar of cream. At number 4, professional-grade tools make the Zeva natural nail care system a good investment for long-term maintenance. It comes with a crystal file to smooth cracks, 3 buffers to clean and shine, and an oil pen to moisturize cuticles. It's all packed in a cylindrical storage case, and it eliminates the need for clippers. It's made in the USA. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the J.D. Walker Natural Callus Remover is a 3-step solution for dry feet. The bath soak softens skin with Epsom salt, eucalyptus, peppermint, vitamin E and aloe, while the pumice stone and cream smooth and hydrate rough spots. It includes a 12-ounce bottle of salt mix and a 50ml jar of lotion, and it comes in an attractive gift box. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pedicure kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, with soothing jets and rolling massage balls, the muchoo foot spa is a good choice for those looking for a soak. Set the digital gauge to your preferred temperature and it heats the water and keeps it warm until you're finished. It offers a 1-button start and holds 4 liters, and it's equipped with casters for easy mobility. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the toplner foot file tools is a 10-piece set with everything you need to trim, buff and smooth, including nail clippers, a callus scraper and a highly effective oblong pumice stone that's made from natural volcanic rock. It features a zippered travel bag and all comes in a convenient compact size with replacement razor blades. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pedicure kits, or simply click beneath this video.